Alright guys, let's tune this '05 Mustang here, using binary editor software. Little vortech car, 39-pound injectors. Should be a fun one for a military guy here. Try to get some video of the tuning process and try to get some video of what goes into tuning one. We're going to be putting exhaust on this car, so right now I'm just flashing a base file in the car and trying to get it running. Alright guys, so changing the spark plugs on this car, and it had some Motorcraft Platinum. I don't know if you can see that or not, but on a boosted car there's just no way to really gap these plugs like you need them to gap. So putting these brisk silver racing plugs in it, and they have like a general style strap, so you can set the plug gap like you want. And then here is a mid 08 and up plug for a 3-valve, just in reference to a 05 to mid 08. Broke stud always happens when you don't really want to do a job and you offer to do it to help somebody out, and it breaks the stud. Oh well. Yeah, so I broke the stud off, and then I broke the extractor tool trying to get the stud out. So now I have a new manifold, and I'm going to try to get a stud out of the new manifold. Hopefully this works. Update soon. This thing fought me for everything I was worth, but we finally got it changed out. Sounds pretty good too. So I finally finished this 05 here and a little vortech supercharger, and turned out pretty good. Should make 450 or so wheel. Military guy. Took so long. Ended up taking like 3 weeks just because we broke a bolt off in the exhaust manifold, and after we broke the bolt off in the exhaust manifold, we put a new manifold on the car, and then the rain has been bad because of April showers, and it's just been a real interesting deal here. But anyways, he's on his way to pick it up. I hope he's happy with it, and we'll see you next time.